Yo, what's up guys? So, a little story to tell you guys. The other day, I was out driving, testing and tuning when I thought I'd do a burnout. And then, this is what happened. First gear. Oh wait. First gear. Let off on the clutch. We're going nowhere. Let's go in reverse. Let off the clutch. There's reverse gear active. But we're going nowhere. So I completely destroyed the rear differential. This beautiful gold differential that I spent a little bit of time putting on. So now we gotta tear apart this whole rear end and see what's going on with that diff. All right, let's get to it. Attached to the shaft. That's great. As you can see, we have to do this to access the front 2 bolts. Number 4. Ta-da!
Yeah, that's stupid, Jack. People below us, though.
Yeah, watch out, Jack, on you.
Which one are you
I think it's about to go. I just picked out some gears. The oil's not that bad. Well, because it's freaking brand new. Ooh, there's a lot. Looks like it just took the inside gears. Oh, and it ate up a ring gear tooth right there. Look at that. So, there we have it. Another differential gun. I think that's gonna do it, guys. Until we meet again. Peace out.